All right, folks, Tommy Cowett here. Hey, we're right in the middle of aeration seeding season. My hair, I hadn't cut it in weeks. Up here on Moore's Mill, have done quite a bit of work on this area, or in this area in Moore's Mill. And today we're putting in a drainage system. I've already trenched. So you can see the builder put in these solid pipes. There's 3 that I've got to connect, and then this one here, way out, causing all this erosion, drainage issue, big time, just washing everything out. Again, another one here. We'll be cutting it back into the slope, try to make this work a little bit better. I don't like that solid pipe coming too far out, and Rodney's coming in tomorrow to do the aeration and seeding on this lawn. This is a new construction, brand new home. This part of Moore's Mill. We'll go over some of these parts with you. We got Ys, we got Ts, we've got elbows, we have solid drain tile, we've got corrugated drain tile. We've got our tools. But reciprocating saw for cutting the solid pipe, and I'll be trying to get those 3 together. The 3 that are together will take some T's, some elbows, and a lot of elbow grease. All right, folks, well, let's get started on this. We got a couple more drain tiles lines on this side, just to show you. This is a really cool lake. That's a floodplain down in there, and the water will come up and flood out this entire area. It did when Fran came, or Florence. And I've got some over here where we're tying in these downspouts, if you can see that. And that'll just tie into the to that drain. But as you can see, I've already brought the trencher in. This is really nice pergola they built. Look at that thing. Beautiful place. Ooh, something's down in the lake. All right, folks, well, let's get started. We'll get tying everything in and show you how that works. All right, folks, so the tricky part is in. I've done reciprocating saw. We cut all of our pipes and basically installed the couplings, and that is a 4-inch coupling that goes on the end of those. Now, I've had to design a manifold here because I had 3 pipes coming in. So as you can see, we elbowed off of this one, teed into the middle one, and as you can see, I've staggered these just to make it a little bit more accommodating. Down here, another tie-in elbow, so that's a manifold. And then we've got another Y from the other one coming up from down there. As you can see, it comes down, Y in there. We'll be running it down, got another Y at the bottom. So do you see how that's done? That manifold had to be done because they ran 3 pipes simultaneously out. So that'll hold it. All the water's gonna follow the main line right down that line and end up at the bottom. All right, folks, and I got another line, as you can see over there, the Y's, if you can see the Y right there. So that's it. That was the tricky part, getting that in like that. Tying into 4-inch solid with those white 4-inch couplings. They work really good. You can even put some screw sets on top of those just to hold them. But really, I'm going to back this up with some wire. It's fine. I don't need anything like that, really. All right, folks. So we'll just keep working on this till we get it all installed. All right, folks. End of the day. Another beautiful day here, Moore's Mill. And like I said, Rodney's going to be coming in here tomorrow with an aerator. I still have to run about 15 more feet beyond down into the bottom, but it's all cleaned off, and I flagged where that manifold is so Rodney won't run over it. It's about 4 inches underground, but still, that's an aerator. I'd rather him not have that on. He's going to work this soil with a bigger machine, try to break up some of this clay. And, well, that's it, folks. I can show you the other side. Look at that beautiful pergola. That was just completed. I guess they got some plans, but isn't this beautiful? Up here in Moore's Mill, Stokesdale, North Carolina. This was an old Boy Scout camp, from what I understand. And then here we are. We're tied in over here. Downspouts. Rodney will work this final over. That's how we're tied in. And then the kind of surfaces over here by the that creek bed. All right, folks. Tony Cowett here. Moore's Mill. Beautiful day. Time to get back that Panthers game. All right, folks.